Hello there, this is Dylan from British English Coach, and this is another video in the Master Polite English course. So in this video I'm going to talk about polite invitations and offers. Now there are two kinds of offers or invitations: direct or strong, or indirect or weak. So direct, strong offers or invitations, they're easy to accept directly. Okay, so you can just simply say yes, thank you. Okay, so let's look at some examples of direct offers. So a very common one is just simply, let me help you. Now we can change that, let me buy you a drink. Let me drive. Let me pay the bill. Let me get this. Let me get this basically means let me pay the bill. Let me pay for something. And it's very common to actually offer in this way. And it's polite, so it's very useful. Now if you want to make it more emphatic, to add emphasis, you could also say, you must let me help you. You must let me buy you a drink. You must let me pay for this. You must leave me to deal with this. Okay, so you must let me or leave me is also possible. Now when we make invitations, it's quite common to say, promise me. Promise me you'll come to the party. Promise me you'll let me pay next time. Promise me you'll visit me for Christmas. Now, one thing you may have noticed about some of these offers or invitations, the direct or strong ones, is that they actually seem not to leave the person you're speaking to, with much choice. You could probably argue that you're imposing a little bit on the other person. You will let me help you, won't you? You can come, can't you? You are free on Thursday, aren't you? You will come to dinner, won't you? So another way of offering or inviting people is to use positive question tags. Okay? Question tags, as we've discovered, are very important in polite communication. Now, although strong offers seem to impose upon the listener, they're actually very easy to decline or refuse. To decline means to say no to an offer or an invitation. So that's why, even though they seem as though they don't follow the rule, they're actually easy to refuse, but we often offer an explanation, a reason, a justification why we don't want to accept the offer or we don't want to accept the invitation. This means the other person doesn't lose face, because you've provided a good reason why something is not possible or you don't need something. So there are many ways of refusing an offer or an invitation. If someone says, you must let me help you, you could just say, that's okay, I can manage by myself, thanks. Or, you will come to the party on Friday, won't you? I'd love to come. So you're refusing the offer, actually, but also saying something positive to the other person. But I'm busy on Friday. So you're providing a reason. Again, that would be great. You're making the other person feel positive, but I've already made arrangements. By offering a reason or an explanation, you're making sure they don't lose any face, and you're not directly saying, no, I don't want to. So you're not hurting their feelings in any way. Now, you may be lying, you may not be busy on Friday, you may actually need the help, and you may not have made arrangements, but it doesn't really matter at this point. You've decided you don't want to accept the offer of help or the invitation, and the other person understands that. So, to summarize, direct or strong offers, they're easy to recognize because you've got to accept them or refuse them quite quickly. They're quite easy to decline or reject. But remember, it's polite to give an explanation, a reason for refusing an offer. You know, even if it's not true, as long as it's more or less believable, it should work. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be looking at what we call indirect or weak offers. I hope to see you there.